Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can change the formatting of bullets and numbering you apply in Word. Word lets you create your own custom library of bullets and numbering. Custom bullets and numbering you create then appear within the drop-down menus of their respective buttons in the ribbon. That way you can create them once and then reuse them as often as needed. To create a custom bullet, click the drop-down button next to the Bullets button in the Paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then click the Define New Bullet command from the drop-down menu to open the Define New Bullet dialog box. There are 3 buttons in the bullet character section at the top of the dialog box that let you choose the bullet icon, symbol, picture, and font. To create a bullet from a symbol, click the Symbol button to open the Symbol dialog box. This dialog box defaults to displaying the content of the symbol font. However, you can use the font drop-down within it to choose another font if desired. For example, the Webdings or Wingdings fonts also have many fun and useful bullet characters you can use. After selecting the font, click the symbol within the font to use as the bullet icon. Then click the OK button to return to the Define New Bullet dialog box. Alternatively, to create a bullet from a picture, click the Picture button to open the Insert Pictures dialog box. This dialog box contains 3 options. To use a picture from your computer, click the Browse button next to the From a File choice to open the Insert Picture dialog box. Navigate using the Insert Picture dialog box to find and select the local image file to use. Then click the Insert button in this dialog box to finish. Alternatively, to look for a picture using the Bing image search, type your keyword or phrase by which to find an image into the Search Bing field next to the Bing image search label. Then either press the Enter key on your keyboard or click the adjacent Search Bing button, which looks like a magnifying glass at the right end of the field, to show the results of the image search within this dialog box. Click to select the image to use in this dialog box, and then click the Insert button to finish. Alternatively, to use a picture saved to your associated OneDrive account, click the Browse button that appears next to the OneDrive link to show all of your OneDrive folders within this dialog box. Then click a folder to show its contents in this dialog box. If needed, you can click the Back button in the upper left corner of this dialog box to move back to the previous folder. Once you find the image to insert in your OneDrive folders, click it to select it, and then click the Insert button in the dialog box to finish. Optionally, if you chose a symbol bullet, then you can click the Font button to open the Font dialog box, which lets you change the appearance of the symbol's selected font. After modifying the bullet's font if desired, click the OK button in the Font dialog box to return to the Define New Bullet dialog box. Finally, choose a bullet character alignment from the Alignment drop-down. You can see a preview of the bullet's appearance in the Preview section. To apply the custom bullet and close the dialog box, click the OK button in the Define New Bullet dialog box. You can also create your own numbering if desired. The process is very similar to the one used to define new bullets. Simply click the drop-down arrow next to the Numbering button in the Paragraph button group on the Home tab of the ribbon. Then select the Define New Number Format command from the drop-down menu to open the Define New Number Format dialog box. First, select the general style of numbering to use from the Number Style drop-down. Then click the Font button to open the Font dialog box. As with symbol bullets, you use the dialog box to select a font to use and set other formatting features that you want the numbering to possess. Once you have done that, click the OK button to return to the Define New Number Format dialog box. You can add additional characters that follow your selected numbering format in the Number Format text box. For example, you could replace the default period with a hyphen if desired. Then choose the alignment that you want to apply to the numbering from the Alignment dropdown. You should see how your numbering will appear in the window in the Preview section. When you have the numbering set as you would like it to appear, just click the OK button to finish creating your own custom numbering.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.